Miami, Florida is famous for its glamour, golden beaches, nightlife, food, high-end shopping, Latin vibe, and is truly called the Magic City.
Miami enjoys warm, temperate climate throughout the year and attracts extra visitors in the winter for some warmth.
You can book Uber or rental car, but free and easy mode of transportation is Metrobus or Metro Rail.
The bridges opening up for passage of ships is a sight to behold.
Here are the places we covered in one day. Number 1. South Beach. South Beach is the southernmost tip of the Miami Beach. It is easily recognized by its colorful lifeguard stations, which adds beauty to safety. This celebrity, family, and youth attracting vacation spot has something for everyone, from water activities to sunbath, swimming or bird watching, or just relaxing in the vast stretch of white sand and blue ocean.
Number 2. Lummus Park. The children's playground, a part of the Lummus Park, is filled with laughter and liveliness among the swaying palm trees.
Number 3. Ocean Drive. Ocean Drive stretches from 1st Street South through 15th Street North of Lummus Park. It is famous for its Art Deco buildings, celebrity chef restaurants, chain stores, indie fashion shops, and is a few minutes walk to Lincoln Road Mall.
And roosters, you see them nearly everywhere.
And now we are heading to our 4th attraction, the Bayside Marketplace. Bayside Marketplace is a fun and happening place with over 70 shops and 30 restaurants.
Just at the entrance of the marketplace, Miami's Walk of Fame honors some of the entertainment industry's biggest names.
Inside the marketplace, they have snacks and juice shops, eateries, and shops filled with souvenirs, bags, t-shirts, jewelry items, shoes, handmade crafts, etc. We even got a chance to have pictures with these adorable macaws.
The giant wheel gets you an amazing view of the city from the top.
And yes, you have the Hard Rock Cafe here as well. One of the popular activities to do here is the Bayside Boat Tour, a 90-minute ride to Miami's spectacular coastal sites, Biscayne Bay, Miami Port, Star Island, Fisher Island, and Celebrity Homes. A professional tour guide narrates about the top sites in English and Spanish. You will find homes of celebrities like Jackie Chan, Jennifer Lopez, David Beckham, Ricky Martin, etc. The islands are artificially created and is called the Millionaires' Row, the home of the rich and famous. You will see these giant international cruises lined up for their next venture into the sea. Apart from this, boat tour is a great way to see Miami Port, its huge machineries, the cargo ships, and the beautiful Miami city skyline too.
Number 7. The Torch of Friendship. It is a monument on Biscayne Boulevard to signify the passageway of immigrants coming from Latin America and the Caribbean islands.
Grab your souvenirs and if possible, check out these attractions too if you have time. And bye!